For this chapter, we'll be sharing about stock batch. If your nature of business is related to fields such as pharmacy or food industry, SQL may help you to keep track of your item by batch. First, you can go to Stock, Maintain Batch, click on the New button. You can set your own code here, or you can also leave it blank and system will auto-generate for you. Then you can put in your description, and then the expiry date of your batch, and the manufacture date. You can key in all the additional remarks here. Next, you can press on the red plus button, select your item. You can select more than one item for the same batch. Once you have done so, you can click on the Save button. Moving on, you can go to the Purchase Invoice. Press on the New button, select your supplier, then select your item. You need to go to your field chooser to call out the batch column. So click on the field chooser, look for batch, then you can see batch appear. Then from here, you can select your batch. Once you have done so, click the Save button. Then next, we will go to the Sales Invoice. Click on the New button, select your customer, and select your item, and the batch. For example, if you're not sure what is your available balance, you can click on the F11 button, and then from here you can see what is the available balance for every batch and also the expiry date. So I'll choose the first batch because the expiry date is sooner. Then you can click on the Save button. Now we will move to reports. You have three reports that is related with batch. First is the stock card. Click on Stock and Print Stock Card. Then you can select your item, or you can select your batch. If you did not specifically select your batch, it will display all your existing batch. Then you click on the Preview button, select your report. Then you can see for batch BT0001, you have purchased 25 units in and you have sold 1 unit out. And you can see your balance quantity is 24 units. That is for stock card. Second is the Print Stock Batch Expiry. You go to Stock, Print Stock Batch Expiry. From here you can filter based on the expiry date. For example, 1st of January 2015 until 31st December 2015. Or you can based on the manufacture date. Once you have done so, you click Apply. As you can see, the batch that will expire between this period. The system will also keep track of the remaining days and quantity. For the third report, you go under Stock, Maintain Batch, click on Preview, and select the stock batch listing quantity balance. Here you may view all your existing batch in a list, such as the expiry date, manufacturing date, and also the quantity balance for all your existing batch.